Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing both devices so transfers go smoothly. Plug the camera, phone, or SD card reader into the laptop's USB port. Make sure your device displays a prompt for file transfer or photos. Tap to allow. Once done, open File Explorer Windows or Finder macOS and locate the connected device. This reveals folders and DSIM. You need permission and visible folders to copy. Otherwise, the laptop can't read the images. If permissions block you, check the device's screen and accept access now. Once you see the device contents, you'll select the exact photos to import. You can pick individual files using Control-click, choose Arrange with Shift-click, or hit Select All to move entire albums. Then drag them into a dedicated laptop folder, organize by date or event, or use the System Photos Apps Import button. That preserves metadata and creates an indexed library. Make sure to watch transfer progress and avoid disconnecting during copying. Interruptions can corrupt files, so wait for completion before ejecting. To finish, verify your photos opened correctly in the Folder or Photos app. Then right-click the device and choose Eject, or use the system tray icon to safely remove it. If images are missing, make sure hidden folders are visible and check the device's app settings that might store photos in cloud-only mode. If the laptop doesn't recognize the device, try another USB port or cable, restart the laptop, and update drivers. These steps resolve most connectivity problems. One quick tip: toggle the device's USB mode between charging and file transfer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.